Hey everyone, you're sitting at your desk, staring at your computer screen. Narrator, in a questioning tone, ever wondered if Ally Bank is the right place to keep your money? Or maybe you're considering making a big transfer and want to know if it's possible. Today, we're diving into a question that might be on your mind. Does Ally Bank allow ACH transfers? Hook. Cut to a shot of a person rapidly typing on a keyboard. Narrator, ACH transfers, for those who aren't familiar, are like a digital check. They're a quick and convenient way to move money between banks. But does Ally Bank support this modern method of banking? Building context. Show a montage of different people using their phones or computers for banking. Narrator, before we get into the specifics, let's understand why ACH transfers are so popular. They're faster than traditional checks, often taking just a few business days. Plus, they're more secure, as they don't involve physical paper. So, it's natural to wonder if Ally Bank is keeping up with the times. Answering the question. Cut to a shot of the Ally Bank logo. Narrator, the short answer is yes. Ally Bank does allow ACH transfers. In fact, they make it pretty easy to do. You can initiate ACH transfers directly from your Ally Bank account online or through their mobile app. Demonstrating the process. Show a screen recording of someone making an ACH transfer on the Ally Bank app. Narrator, let's walk through the process. First, you'll need to log into your Ally Bank account. Once you're in, you'll typically find an option for transfers or move money. From there, you'll select ACH transfer and enter the necessary information, such as the recipient's bank account details and the amount you want to transfer. Security considerations. Cut to a shot of a person looking at a lock icon on their phone. Narrator, security is always a top concern when it comes to online banking. Ally Bank takes this seriously. They use advanced security measures to protect your account information and your transactions. So, you can rest assured that your ACH transfers are safe. Additional benefits. Show a graphic or animation of a checkmark list. Narrator, aside from the convenience and security, there are other benefits to using ACH transfers with Ally Bank. For example, you can often schedule future transfers, which is great for recurring payments like bills or loan repayments. Plus, Ally Bank typically doesn't charge fees for ACH transfers. Comparison with other banks. Cut to a montage of different bank logos. Narrator, now, you might be wondering how Ally Bank compares to other banks when it comes to ACH transfers. While many banks offer this service, Ally Bank is known for its user-friendly interface and competitive rates. It's always a good idea to compare different banks to find the one that best suits your needs. Conclusion. Show a shot of a person smiling while looking at their phone. Narrator, so, to recap, Ally Bank does indeed allow ACH transfers. It's a convenient and secure way to move money between accounts. If you're looking for a bank that offers this feature, Ally Bank is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.